Depending on the flow rate of your irrigation system, there might be one more quick step to take, and that's inserting the flow disc. To determine the flow rate of your irrigation system, add up all the emitters that will be operating at once or on one zone. A system using 200 half-gallon per hour drippers will have a flow rate of 100 gallons per hour. If your irrigation system drips between 7.5 and 30 gallons per hour, you want to use the red flow disc. If it drips between 30 and 60 gallons per hour, you'll use the black flow disc. If it drips between 60 and 120 gallons per hour, you'll use the white flow disc. If it's over 120 gallons per hour, you won't need a flow disc at all. To use the flow disc, all you have to do is remove the gasket from the female side of the EZ-Flo hose bib adapter. Set it aside so you don't lose it. Then grab the flow disc that you're going to use based on the flow rate of your irrigation system, and you're going to want to push it deep into the hose bib adapter where you'll see a very narrow passage. Push the flow disc all the way in until it's secure, replace the gasket, and your hose bib adapter is ready to go back on your head assembly.